Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set text to repeat from Google Calendar. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and then in here you just click on tab and exiting text or create a new text. You can click in here and click text, and then in here you can tap add a title, maybe meeting, and then after this, below the date tab doesn't not repeat, click on it, and then you can select a preset frequency every day, every week, or every year, and then tap save every weeks, and then tap save. And okay, tap save and select custom, set your preferred recurrence frequency and date, and tap done and save. So that's how to set text to repeat from a Google Calendar apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.